So moving on to question number 3, it's a very simple question. Okay, so as you look at the question, there's a table where I've given you the cost pool, that is the activities, and also in the second part of the table they're also given you cost drivers. Okay, so you know which activity has which cost driver. Okay, so simultaneously I've given you, there's absolutely no confusion over here because the question is very simple. Okay, and the question is asking you only to find out under ABC costing. Okay, because the details given are also belonging to ABC method of costing. So here the first step, as we know, find out the cost driver rate. What's the formula? Activity cost or total cost divided by your cost driver. Everything is given in the question. You just need to divide and find the rate. Starting with the first activity here, material procurement, cost is 4,05,000 divided by 900 gives us 450 rupees every time you order. For every order, the cost incurred or the rate is 450. Next, machine setup. How many times has been the machine set up? The cost is 3,59,000 for that particular activity, and how many times it was done? 450 times. Divided, you'll get 798 rupees per setup. Third, maintenance of the machine. Okay, how many hours the machine run? 2,40,000 is the total cost of maintenance divided by the machine was running for production for total of 3,000 hours. So it was 80 rupees every hour. Fourth, quality control. That means you need to inspect the machine so that the quality of the product is not reduced. Okay, so every now and then you need to inspect or check the machinery. So that was the cost of 1,40,000 divided by how many inspections the company do? Total of 700. That comes up to a rate of 200 every inspection. The last one, machinery. That is, the total cost was 4,80,000 divided by hours. Machine hours is 24,000 hours. So you get the rate of 20 every machine hour, right? So very simple. All the values are given in the question. Very simple. You need to divide it and find out the rate. Okay, so step 1 is complete. Let's move on to step number 2. So here we go. Step number 2, cost sheet. Now here in this question they have given us the details about direct material, direct labor. Okay, in the previous 2 questions that we have solved, it's not given. Okay, now here they have given direct material and direct labor. So as you remember the format of the cost sheet, you have to write it down as it is. So we always start with direct expenses, right? So direct material as it is given in the question, 1,10,000. Direct labor given, 1,90,000. Total it up, you will get prime cost of rupees 3 lakh. Moving on to the overheads. Now step number 1, whatever rates you have found out, every individual activity, you need to remember that. Okay, then materials procured, machine setup, maintenance, quality control and machinery. All these values are going to multiply with the rates that you have found out in the step number 1. So therefore materials procured cost comes up to 9,450, machine setup 15,162, maintenance 40,800 rupees, quality control 5,200 rupees and machinery 26,000. So we're going to add up all the overhead cost along with the prime cost. We arrive at 3,96,612. Okay, so we have to find out the cost per unit of the product. Now what is per unit? Total cost divided by the units produced. So once we divide that, we get rupees 158 per unit. Okay, so this question is quite simple. All the details are given in the question. Just need to implement in step 1 and step 2. So with this we complete our question number 3.